Welcome back to day 2 now of the festival. Yesterday was kind of like set up and testing, and it was open for some people, but everyone's going to come today on the weekend because people work on Friday. But as you can see, like, I am red. I'm getting so much sun. I'm getting super tanned, but it's absolutely crazy out here. Like the riding, the food, the culture, the people, everything is just so different. I'll show you the bike and something I don't like out here about the bikes. Is it good?
It's good.
That's good? I'll show you the bikes outside, guys. There's some Suzuki's outside. They didn't want them to get stolen or whatever, so they bring the protection. It's 30 degrees outside, 70% humidity. It's so hot. Come this way. So here's the bikes we have outside right now. Some are missing, went back to the show. Gixxer S750, which is a big bike out here. Hayabusa, as you guys know, big, fat, ugly. Here, people love it because it's just like a big bike, big CC. They sell a lot out here, which is crazy. But, you know, as we all know, not the most popular back home. And of course, the Ninja 1000 I'm riding. You see, like, the chain's clean, but this bike was cleaned yesterday, and it's just so dusty and dirty. Like, that's what I hate about bikes out here. This thing was cleaned yesterday, and they just don't stay clean. It's just the way it is. And you know how we judge people back home for not cleaning their chains or wheels or whatever. Like, you know, all of our bikes back home are all so clean and tidy. Here, nope. They're messy within half an hour of riding them. Are you excited for today?
Yeah.
Yes. But man, it's hot. I'm gonna put shorts on, but we'll see if I get burned. All right, guys, it's day 2. Got to the venue now. Lots of people here already. They're doing stunting. They're gonna play my video. How to destroy your bike in 5 seconds. Oh my God. They're gonna destroy your bike. This is how we roll in India. We have no helmets, no nothing. That's how they roll out here, man. And we go home, have a quick shower. I'm gonna change into some like more nighttime clothes so I don't get eaten alive. With like a t-shirt on and some pants. My face is burned, and this is how we do it out here in India. And you see 2 guys on bikes all the time out here. Back home, you would never see that because it's kind of gay. But in India, you see 5 dudes on one bike, you know? Yo, yo, yo. That's Rohit's dad there. Please don't kill me. Ooh. Man, it's so crazy, man. I would never do this. But everyone does it. Look, not one person has a helmet here. But it's the way it is out here, my man. So I just got blessed in India. I just got it shit on. Oh no, the bike got it too. Oh, it's wet. Look at that, guys. But apparently the locals say it's a blessing, so I just got blessed. All right, so another time we got shut down by the cops, even though they like got the permissions and they pay, and they just keep wanting bribes and bribes and bribes. So now it's like everything is just shut down again. No music, no video. All right, guys, so now we don't know what's happening. Some booths are coming down now. Like it's supposed to be open for like another 3 hours, but as you can see, the cops way back there just keep coming here for some reason. There we go, guys. We got some beer, but we have to hide. We have to hide behind here because there's cops right there. And that's how we have beer here, because that's how it works in Hyderabad. No. Shut down so people don't come. It's really bad, really bad. The cops out here, man, they want like bribes and stuff. It's insane. Now I'm vlogging on the stage. It's all quiet. Biryani, nice. Now vlogging beside the food making and everything is out here. What is that called? What's it called? Tangadi. Chicken what? Chicken tangadi. It looks spicy as hell. Yeah, that's not for me. Wanna try one? That is not a beetle. That is like a dog. That is a dog right there. It's the size of my fist. Okay, so it's called a ground beetle. And man, those are not beetles. They're called ground dogs. They're so big. Alright guys, so we're off to Hyderabad. Finally go out, meet some people. I'm 2 up, which is really weird, but that's what everyone does out here in India, man. Huh? It's so quiet at night.
This is the village.
Yeah, in the daytime it's so busy.
In the city you can find so many cars now.
Yeah. Ay.
There is one place called Pavilion. It's a drive-in for the people who would drive in and come in the sports cars and sport bike.
Oh really?
So there the Zohar is waiting for you.
Okay, I sent you a new Google update. We came into the city a little bit to the village, so you're not going as far.
Pavilion.
It's so quiet here, man. Look at this, no lights. So these are just like random dogs or what?
It's a street dog, be careful.
Come here.
It's a street dog. If it bites you, you need to get injected.
Hey doggies! Doggies! Hello! Oh, hello doggy! Hello street doggy! If they bite you, you need to get shots. Oh, they're so nice. Goodbye, street doggy. Let's go. All right, so there's a place called the Pavilion Drive-In. It's like very popular among motorcyclists. We're gonna go there. Ay. The mirror almost hit his car. That was insane. They just changed lanes without indicating. No mirrors, no nothing. Car going the wrong way, bikes going the wrong way. No lights on that truck. It's absolutely insane out here. Welcome to India, man. Oh my goodness. People are not moving because there's like cars on cars on cars. I love it. I love it. Hey man, good to see you. Hey.
How you doing?
I'm good.
Weather right good?
Oh my god, I almost died coming here. Are you kidding me?
Where are we? Jubilee Hills.
Jubilee Hills?
Private.
Yeah, it's nice. What's funny is there's only one road in, one road out. That's it. That's it. What do you say? What do you say? You want to be in the video? What do you say?
No.
What do you say?
I was telling him to wipe the sweat.
What is this called now?
Mini pancakes
Yes.
and red velvets.
Yes.
What's the topping? Nutella and chocolate topping.
Nice.
Looks cool, right?
Yes, very good. We're out here in like what they call like a plaza. Everyone comes after the party, they park their cars, they sit, talk. And I'm eating this. Guys, this wing is installed upside down, like it's lifting the car up. There's no downforce there, so it's pulling up the back wheels. It's hard to see in the light, but oh, there you go. Look at that. It's literally upside down.